In this last video, I'm going to show you how to pull reports for the standard. On the left-hand side, you'll have a tab called Teacher Reports right here. You're going to go ahead and click on that. Up at the top of the screen, you want to make sure that you are clicked on the class that you're wanting to pull the report for, and in this case, we do want to pull the report for English 5-6, so I'll go ahead and click back on that. And that shows a list of reports here on the right-hand side that you can pull for that class. And in the standards report, we want to do the standards MET report, which is in the middle of the list, and go ahead and click on that. And this report actually shows you the standard criteria section shows the linked assignment count and percentage of passing students. And the student average section shows how well individual students are performing on the selected standard. So if you take your mouse and you hover over the category, the subcategory, or the standard, it will give you the details. And over here to the right, it will give you the status, if it's met or unmet, and the percentage, and then it also lists the grades for that class. This report can be printed from the screen, or you can save it to a PDF. The PDF button is up here at the top of the screen, and you just would click on the PDF file and it downloads and you can print it from there.